What is going on, everyone? Today we are going to be swapping these Wedge rat zingers. They are 18 by 11, negative 11. They fit absolutely perfectly, except we're putting Brembos on this car. We test fitted them on the front and they don't clear. These are 18 by 11, negative 11. It's not an aggressive offset to fit with these big Brembo calipers. So we got 380 RS Nismo wheels. They only made them in Japan and there was only 300 sets of them. We were fortunate enough to get a set and all we need is tires. So we're gonna be putting this car on blocks and swapping these wheels onto my yellow Eclipse. So right now we're in the process of doing these side skirts. We're putting authentic Nismo version 3 side skirts on. That's why the back wheels are on these blocks. It's just our way of makeshifting a lift because we're in the process of getting a lift right now. So I'm gonna take the rear wheels up and then off the blocks and then jack up the front end, take the wheels off in the front first, then put blocks in on the front and then do it for the rear. I couldn't find the impact, so I'm just using a regular socket, but it is fine. We're gonna put these wheels down below. We just got power yesterday into the new garage, so that's why we're filming at night. But the time change, it does turn night quicker. So we're gonna be working on the yellow Eclipse right here. I have some MSR wheels. These are 19s. We're gonna be putting the Ratzingers on, which are 18s. I don't really know much about this car, so that's why this is my first video working on this car. So we're gonna be making this car look really good again. Let me know what you think about it down below, if you like the white decals, if you like the paint color. It also has this white dyed interior. The previous owner did it. I think it's really cool. These are fiberglass, and then we got side skirts from bumper, rear bumper. That's pretty much it. The factory color was this silver color. This is just a one coat cover up paint job from Mako. I think brand new chrome wheels are gonna look really good and it's gonna freshen up the look of this car. Right now this motor has rod knock and that's why I haven't been working on it, but I do have a 6-bolt 4G63 up there. It doesn't have the turbo and that's fine because this car does. Hopefully the turbo's in good shape. I didn't really check this car out. I got it for $2,200 with a clean title. So I picked it up immediately. It is a GST, by the way. Okay, we're gonna start by loosening all the lugs. I thought they were 19s. These are 225 30 20s. So I'm putting on 18, so it's gonna actually sit lower. This is the difference in wheel. So we're going a lot more aggressive. It's almost the same size too. We just have a really skinny tire on this and they don't hold air. So to move this car with rod knock, we don't have an engine and they don't hold air. It's not that fun. That is another reason we're swapping these on. Hopefully they fit well. We're gonna try right now. So one thing to note is they sprayed the calipers yellow. They are just stock calipers painted yellow. Nothing fancy at all. This car only has 70,000 miles on it. And the motor I'm swapping in has around 70,000 miles. It's from a 91 Plymouth Laser RS. So it is a 6-bolt motor. Looks like from here at least, we're definitely gonna need a little camber. When I had this car with no front bumper on it and we were pushing it around, They are the straightest wheels I've ever seen. I'm really used to cambered cars like my S13 over here and my S14. My GSX has camber. I'm used to it and I'm probably gonna run it. But not like an absurd amount of camber like my S13, not like that. Just a little to make the wheels fit and make it like really nice fitment. Let me know down below if you guys are liking this style of video where it's more of a vlog almost. Just me working on cars. Let me know down below also if you want to see more of the yellow Eclipse. We just did a full garage tour. This was actually before the lighting. It was one day before the lighting, but we didn't know how the car situation would be after, so we just wanted to get that video out of the way. That was our 2023 edition of that garage tour, meaning we will do another one in the future when we get some more cars or when we finish some of these cars up. So these clear no problem. They are 18 by 11, -11, and they are clearing these stock calipers just fine. This is what I was talking about with how straight the wheels are. To me, it looks really weird just having a tuning car like this, a JDM car with super straight wheels. I'm not used to it at all. I always wanted camber, so that's kind of funny to me. It might not look weird to everyone else, but I'm used to camber, so that's why I kind of want to run it. I'm so used to the look of it, and I like driving with it. It just feels a little better, in my opinion. This is just going to be a daily driver, and I don't drive my cars on the highway, especially if it's something rare and unique like this. Let's get to the rest of the wheels. Make sure when you're taking off wheels and putting on wheels that you always take note of the direction of tire, so the tread pattern. Another option to make these fit better would be to have a stretched tire. The only reason I'm not using an impact right now is because the garage likes to echo a lot. So I don't really want to wake anyone up. I only have 4 lugs in the front. There's no room in the back to jack it up, and it's too low to jack it up from over here. Also, there's no room. So I had to put the jack almost under the car, like completely. This is how much is sticking out. And the car sits low, so I had like that much to jack it up. So I did it for like 5 minutes straight, really quick, and it was like going up so slow, but that's what you have to do. Now time to take off the wheel. So we don't have coilovers in the front, but they did put them in the back. So that's quite questionable, but I guess they needed it. Stock suspension blew out and they just wanted to replace it. No rubbing in the back. So we're good to go. It doesn't hit the control arm. If you want to play it safe, you could definitely get a like a 15 mil spacer that just slides right on. It would feel a little better, but it doesn't hit the control arm. And you're not turning with the back wheels, so you're definitely good there. Well, I am in my case. I'm gonna also be taking these wheels off once again, putting a little camber. This is a project car right now. This is definitely not on the top of the list. I just made this video for fun because I always wondered what cool wheels on this car would look like. You can see how far they poke out from the side here. It's a little ridiculous. So again, stretching the tires, adding camber, that would probably help a lot. And lowering the car, it doesn't look that cool at all, not being lowered, honestly. But that's my taste. That is the end of the video, guys. I hope everyone enjoyed. Let me know what your thoughts are about the yellow Eclipse down below. What would you guys do in this case with the wheels poking out? I know the obvious thing to do would be to get better wheel specs, but that is out of my price range right now. We got other projects and more videos coming soon. See you guys in the next one.